Hello everyone, how's it going? So today we're going to be looking at a new backup and migration plugin called BackupBliss. So basically I have a client who needs some upgrade and redevelopment to their website, and I want to create a duplicate development website, or it's like a staging sort of thing, but I want to create that on a different server. So I want to actually migrate this website to this website. As you can see, the receiving website is pretty empty. There's nothing there. It's just a regular default WordPress installation. So let's go to the back end. All what I've done here in the back end was to download the plugin and then upload it here and activate it. I haven't done anything else. Full disclosure, BackupBliss have sent me a pro key to enable me to experience all the features and all the options, but they do have a free version which I think serves up to 2 gigabytes of backup for free. This website is pretty heavy. It's about 4 gigabytes, so I do need the pro version in order to get everything done. As you can see, I haven't started anything yet, and we're just looking at the regular backup page here, and all what I'm going to do is click on create backup now. But before I go there, I just want to have a quick look at all the options that are there. So as you can see, it's actually looking at my WordPress installation, and it's asking me what exactly do I want to back up. Of course, since this is a migration, the WordPress is already installed on the other end. So I'm not going to back up the regular WordPress installation. However, you'll see that all my files, as in plugins and themes, as well as uploads and everything else in the WP content, is going to be backed up. If I want to exclude any files, I can say what I want to exclude. So in some WordPress installations, you may already have another backup solution running, which would be having its own backup files in your WordPress folders. You don't want to take that with you. And as you can see, BackupBliss already is smart enough to recognize some of the other backup files that may exist in the WordPress installation folder, and by default it's excluding them for me, so I don't have to do that part. Of course, I want to check databases. Without it, nothing will work, and so I'm not going to change anything. Where shall the backup be stored? Here, when it gets like really nice. So I could have it on the same server, or I could send it to my Google Drive. Usually, for the first time you're backing up, you don't need to make any changes. I'll leave everything as is and just go on and say create backup now. And then it will take a little while, of course. So I'm going to click on it, let it do its work, and then I'm going to pause this video and come back when the backup is done to show you what the next steps are. So here we go, the backup has been finished. As you can see, it's also compressed the size from about 4 gigabytes to 2.97 gigabytes. There's one thing that I also like. It does have like a link. So instead of me downloading 3 gigabytes and then uploading the same 3 gigabytes again to the other server, I can use the link, and let's see if that will work. All I need to do now is to go to the destination site, install the plugin, and see what we can do in order to do the migration. So let's head over there. So here we are, brand new site. Gonna go to add the plugin, upload, gonna choose it, install. You can also get it from the WordPress repository. I'm doing it from here because they've given me a specific pro version to test, so I need to use the one that they sent to me. Okay. Now it's asking me to get the free version, of course, because I didn't have it. And then, so I just need to go and get that link and then go here where it says super quick migration, paste the link, and let's see if this work. Yes, all existing will be overwritten because it's a migration, of course. And then I'm going to say start restoring. And of course, the other option that you can use is to download the backup and then upload it here. You browse and then you select your backup. You click on open. I'm already doing the process, so I don't want to interrupt it. So I'm not going to do it again, but it is right now, it's uploading. And let's see how we can restore this after we upload it. So here it's being uploaded as we speak. I'm going to pause for a while, and once this reaches 100%, I'll come back and show you what the next step is. And here we go. The upload was successful. I'm going to close it and I'm going to check here, and I'm going to go and say restore. And again, it will give me the notification. I will click on start restoring and let it do its magic. And as you can see, it's just doing its magic here, completing the migration for me. I'll just wait until this gets to 100%, and then hopefully it will not give me any error messages. And here we are. The plugin tells me that the migration is complete. I really like their interface. It's fun. It's clean. It's easy to read for somebody with an eyesight like mine. I don't need my glasses. It's also showing me that I can do weekly automatic backups and so on. So I'm going to just click outside here. Let it close. I say don't switch on automatic and close. And as you can see, it did the migration for me. So this is a big, heavy 4 gigabytes e-commerce website that the plugin has just made me migrate it without having to go on the back end of the hosting or creating a new database or doing anything manually. All what I needed to do was to create a backup, download this backup to my machine, upload it to the new server, and then click on restore. You can also do this from the link as I showed you earlier. So I hope you get a chance to check BackupBliss, play around with it, and you will not be disappointed. Thank you and see you on the next video.